Good morning everyone. My name is Kritika Sharma. I study in class 5th Blue Heaven Vidyalaya. Today I am going to speak some words about health and cleanliness. There is a park and some children are playing in the park, and we should not throw the garbage in the open space. We should always throw the garbage or waste in the dustbin. Cleanliness is important for a healthy life. We should maintain cleanliness in our homes and in our surroundings. Thank you.
Good morning. My name is Himanshu Prajapat. I read in class 5th B. My school name is Blue Heaven Vidyalaya. In this project, I made 10 buzzer alarm. I include a 9-volt battery, switch and a buzzer and 2 wires. First, I connect 9-volt battery positive to a green wire. Then I connect battery negative to buzzer negative. Then I connect buzzer positive to switch. Then I connect a red wire to a switch. Then I paste buzzer on battery. Then I paste switch under the battery. Then I paste tape. Then the cause why the alarm rings is the electricity runs in water and connects with each other. Example: when water level will flows, when the rings brings more. Thank you.
Good morning all of you. This is Aksha Maharishi from class 7th B, and I am the student of Blue Heaven Vidyalaya. My project name is solar drip irrigation. We can use this project in village houses. In this, solar panels are used. They work in the sunlight, and without electricity they work very efficiently. As you can see here, from sunlight, the light emitting diode is on, and we just put our hand in this and that is off, and we can use this in sunlight without electricity. Here we have our water pump. Water pump can be used in crop fields, and water can directly go to crop fields from tube wells by switching on the switch, as you all can see here. And how I made this: I took a plastic tray, then I pasted some dummy cars and trees to it. Then I pasted a house which I made from sheets and cardboards. Then I pasted ice cream sticks on the corners of my project, and then I used copper wires in the middle of the 2 sticks to fence my project, and it is working like as boundary for my whole project. This was my project. I hope you like my project and my hard work towards it. Thank you.
Good morning all of you. My name is Srifadan from class 7th B, Blue Heaven Vidyalaya. Today I want to represent you a model of solar system. This is a model of solar system. Our solar system has 8 planets. All planets revolve around the sun. The sun is the head of this family. First, Mercury. Mercury is the nearest planet to the sun. It is smallest planet in our solar system. It took 88 days in revolution. Second, Venus. Venus is the brightest planet in our solar system. It is also known as Earth's twin sister because of similar size. Third, Earth. Earth is the third planet from the solar system. It is only planet where life is possible because of its atmosphere. Fourth, Mars. Mars is the 4th closest planet from the sun. It is red because it is rusty. It takes 687 days in revolution. Fifth, Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. It revolves faster than any planet in our solar system. Sixth, Saturn. Saturn is the second largest planet in our solar system. It has 7 flat rings around it. Seventh, Uranus. Uranus is the seventh planet from the sun. It is the coldest planet in our solar system. Eighth, Neptune. Neptune is the last planet from the sun. It is a sea blue color due to presence of methane gas in its atmosphere. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Meenakshi Sharma from class 8. I am studying in Blue Heaven Vidyalaya. Today I am going to represent my project of wind tunnel. What are wind tunnel? Wind tunnel is the large tubes with air blowing through them, which replicates the interaction between the air and the ground surface. Now, these are used to learn more about the aircrafts and spacecrafts will fly. Now I want to give some information about my project. The materials which are used in it are a DC motor of 6 volt, 2 batteries of 9 volt, a thin wire which is of red and black color, a glue gun and a piece of cardboard. First we have to cut a fan using cardboard, then a stick using brown paper, and we have to cut a square on which we have to fix the fan which is of 5 cm. Now fix the stick on the cardboard. After that you have at the behind of the fan you have to fix a motor and cover it using the brown paper. Now our fan is ready. Now going towards our cottage, first we have to cut the squares of 4 equal sizes. Take out one of them and draw a door and a window using pen, and now cut it using the cutter. After that fix all the 4 squares using glue gun. Now cut 2 rectangulars and remove the upper layer of the cardboard so it will look like your cottage. Now both are ready. Now take a big cardboard and fix both of them on that cardboard. Now we have to do the wiring on that. On the motor we have to fix the wires and take the wires into the cottage. Now first we have to fix in the first battery which is for fan. Join the wires in it. Now second battery is for cottage. Join the wires in it, which is connect with the light which is on in it. You can see how I made it. The light is on in the cottage and the fan is moving with the help of motor. My project is ready, and if you want to give an attractive look to your project, so you can make the sceneries over there. Like you can paste the dummy cars, you can draw the roads, you can paste the trees, flowers, whatever you want you can do in it. Thank you.